Hi all, this is Madhumita from Informatica Global Customer Support. Today I am going to explain you about the Power Exchange utility PWXUCCLPRT, a print log summary utility. Let's get started. This is the agenda of this video. I'll explain the overview of this utility, supported operating systems, and few command syntax and few input and output statement parameters, and I'll take you to a live demo where I will show how to run this utility and few example reports like CSV, dump and tokens. So the overview of this utility is mainly meant to print the summary of the log contents of the Power Exchange logger log. It is also used to write the log reader or commit restart tokens to a comma delimiter file, and is also used to write records to a file in hexadecimal format. You may ask me like when to use this utility. So this utility gives an option to dump the content of the contents file. It is very useful tool for troubleshooting data, table structure related issues. So also we have the Power Exchange Navigator in Windows based the client, which can be used to view data stored in the contents files via row test function. However, there can be situations where Power Exchange Navigator cannot be used or available. In such scenarios, this utility PWXUCCLPRT is an option that will come handy. So yeah, these are the supported operating systems, which includes Linux, Unix and Windows. And command syntax for this utility includes the utility name followed by the CS parameter input file, and DBID is the collection identifier, and the file for which the summary report, the contents file for which the summary need to be printed. So we have two important input and output statement parameters. These are the input parameters, which includes DBID, start time, end time, start sequence, end sequence and so on. So here you can use different types of inputs like start sequence, end sequence, start time, end time, and we can also use some filter criteria to make appropriate selection. And one added value is we have here file list here, where you can specify more than one contents files to run this utility, and you can also filter for specific extraction map. And I'll show you to a live demo where I will show how to run this utility. So before running this utility, make sure your source listener and Power Exchange logger has up and running, and also the logger has created 2 or 3 contents files. So this is the input parameter file, which includes start time, end time, file list for more than one contents file, and output I have given the format as dump. So in case if you want to use it as CSV or tokens, you can specify the same. Now if I run this utility using the command PWXUCCLPRT, CS is the parameter file and the file name of the contents file. So this will show the summary content of the contents file, like it has 2 inserts or how many updates, deletes. So it will show all the summary report of the contents file. This is an example report. So it is in the CSV format, which will include the file, record, offset, type. So all these informations it will have. Whereas if you take in the form of dump, it will show the dumping record details, and this is the report for the token. It will include timestamp, sequence and restart informations. For more information, you can refer Informatica document in Informatica portal. We would love to hear from you. You can drop us your queries in Informatica support videos, or you can tweet us in our Twitter account. Thank you.